What is up? All right, looks like we're gonna make a trip back over here at the new theme park and resort because I've been driving by the other side and noticed I'm doing a lot of work right now on the roller coasters. And let's see here, go over here. I actually took some pictures of it from driving by, but I never did post the previews, so this is pretty much probably all this, mostly the same over here, which you've already shown. This is where the water is going to be. This is where the concerts are going to be. But I want to go around the other side of this building back here, where the theme rides are at. Because remember last time we saw all the poles for the new track and everything laying down on the south side over there, and we saw that they had all the pads, the footers down in the ground over here. I knew they're getting ready to put up, and then within days they started putting up this. So this is going up really fast. They got the cranes out, so it looks like they're doing a loop-de-loop or something, and they are working on it. So I've been seeing them set up with the crane as I've been driving by on the freeway there. I was hoping maybe we'd see the crane in motion, but it doesn't look like they're actively lifting anything now, but you can see they've been busy setting this up. Got some pieces of the track down there.
That's for Hot Wheels, I can tell.
Yeah.
By the way, that dirt thing, I'm pretty sure is the Barbie house.
It almost has to be the Barbie house because the only thing that they haven't started yet, looking at the shape of it, it isn't here yet.
But I think this is gonna be really exciting, actually, when it's fully built, like everything's fully built.
Yeah. And looks like quite a bit of the Bone Crusher or whatever this is.
Yeah,
the blue and yellow. Looks like most of it is done. It's been done with some final touches. There's not much new about that. Oh, those R2s up there. We already looked at those. Just focus on this just for this quick little video update.
Yeah, because there is a lot to see, but at the same time, there's not really to see.
Yeah, well, kind of interesting to see them put the roller coaster together, though. Got, what, 2 cranes there? Big one and a bigger one.
Man, this area is going to be so busy.
I don't think that is a green one in use. I don't think so. See, they put those big uprights, those big.
You hear me?
That gray structure there.
Dude, this place is gonna be so busy.
Yep. Oh, there's only one crane here. That other one is a man lift, and there's people on it, I think. Yeah, sweet. Stay back here. We're hundreds of feet away, by the way. We're not like right over them or anything. Huh. They're putting it together, bolting it, welding, whatever they got going on. I imagine these are all preformed, welded pieces that they're just bolting together and then mounting to the uprights, the support beams. That is cool. So I get just a little bit over here. I'll probably crop in, post edit. This is blue collar men shit right here. These aren't the little boys that want to go work in Amazon and get paid the same for doing blue collar men shit. Because in Biden's world, in Bidenomics, you know, somebody who doesn't want to, you know, get their hands dirty wants to go have an easy job flipping burgers or delivering packages, but get paid the same for somebody, you know, risking their life, you know, rigging, you know, lifts, stuff like this. And that's a big, you know, boom lift right there. If they have any slop in them or it's windy, those things can rock back and forth quite a bit, just because you see how long that arm is from where the vehicle is. Looks like it's pretty stable though right here. Yeah, I've been in some fairly big ones. I don't know if I've been in one that's stretched out that long, but I've been in them to like access things 2, 3, 4 stories high. They are getting it done.
Oh, are you talking about the roller coaster, or are you talking about the thing?
I'm talking about the lift, the green and white right there.
That is really tall, actually.
Well, it's way stretched out, like 100 feet.
Do they get paid a lot? I hope they get paid a lot. That's actually really scary.
So all the slop on the gear drive in the middle, you know, like, you know, a half inch of slop there, you know, it could be like 6 inches where they're at. So it starts swaying back and forth. Oh, it's your drink.
Yep.
Yeah. Goodies. It starts swaying back and forth, you know, you're gonna notice it. But once you're used to it, it's not so bad.
Dang, how much of a sip did you take?
Just a little one. Thought it tasted funny.
I think you took more than a little sip.
Yeah, just a baby sip.
No, you did not take a baby
Just
sip.
a little baby sip.
No wonder you're always gonna be. You should have felt the size difference.
Yeah. Cover over this little stretch of building here where nobody's at. Get her done. Get her done. Yeah.
Here, let's go pee. What are you looking at?
The battery. We have quite a bit left. It's a calm day.
It is really calm. Usually you got people with not a boom box, but their radio blasting.
Oh, they probably got it and blasting over there somewhere. It's warm when we're parked. It was cold this morning. Like, I think the low was supposed to be like 37, and it was kind of cold this morning. Actually, it was
like
more ice on my vehicle than I've had all year, but parked here in the sun, man, you gotta roll the windows down. Man, he's really working that. Is he running an actual ratchet? Or some sort of, or come along or something? I can't tell, because I'll be able to tell post-edit, but it's bright out and looking at the screen, I can't tell what he's working, but I could see he was
the battery?
using manpower.
What is the battery? I can't see it.
It's up behind that. It's 51% now. We're good. We are good. Alright, let me do this a little more. Pretty cool. As you see, is right there next to the freeway. Well, we're not at the right timing to see them lift something. Looks like they're already working on the current section, but there's some progress. That'd be kind of cool. Let's get ourselves a nice little thumbnail right here.
should almost put the numbers of the updates.
Eh.
'Cause I feel like we've updated this at least 4 times. 3 or 4 times, or maybe even 5.
It was going slow for a while. Now they're really getting to it. Because they're behind schedule, it was estimated to be open, 2024. I don't know if that's going to happen. But they definitely are throwing up the coaster over here. Anyway, I'm going to keep it short. That'll be it for this video update.
There's no way it's getting done. If they're making it a bigger park, which I hope so, because you can't really only have 3 rides, or that'd be a little too small, so that definitely probably not.
Yep. Anyway, with that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and all that. Catch you guys later.